Hello guys, so that's what we will play with today, and its weight telling us 78 grams. Cell box as it's standing here is 40 grams, so that gives us 38 grams, and all this is gold-plated strips from goldfingers, what we always cut, but this one I just remove with the soldering machine, something like that. You just take your soldering machine and just push it, and they are just coming out. Anyway, so let's just check out if we really have this 38 grams. So let's just take this one aside. This will be our reaction jar or beaker. Zero that and just put this one in. Okay, there is our 38 grams. So let's just put it on this catching container. This is like a little heat pad, and I will put some hydrochloric acid on it for start to dissolve all base metals. Okay, I add around 100 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, and the reaction begin right away. As you can see, okay, it's been like about half hour, and as you can see, the reaction going pretty well. I give it some heat, and it's about 60 degrees in Celsius. Okay guys, so this is about 4 hours reaction going on. It slowed down a bit, so my idea to just give it a little bit extra HCl, still a little bit over 60, close to 70 degrees.
So that is the day 2. It was running overnight. As you can see, actually not most, but I think at least 50% of foils just get cleaned out, just floating, and a lot of them is still at the bottom. The reaction still going, so of course I add a little bit of extra fresh acid, and yeah, we'll keep it like this for I don't know how much, but until all this base metal gets dissolved. So, tiny update. This is the day 2. So, see you at the next. Okay, tiny upgrade. After like 1 full day boiling in kind of HCl, then after first day I add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide, then boil it for 2 more days, then filter it. That was our AB solution. That was just something from rinsing the filter, and that is left over in the filter. Some foils get through, but I will save the filter for later on, and that's our solution. Now it is around 200 milliliters, 100 milliliters of HCl, hydrochloric acid, and about 1 tablespoon of potassium nitrate. And actually reaction just began. I still have it on heat, about a little bit over 50 degrees. Anyway, I see bubbles, I see reaction going, so So I'm happy. I hope now I just begin to dissolve our gold. So, on to the next one.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I shut down the heat. It go down to about 30 degrees, and as you can see, no more gold foils visible. Yeah, my light died somehow, but still, as you see in here, I don't know, it's better look, but no more foils left in that solution. So I just let it cool for a little bit more until about 20 degrees, and then I will try to denox it with urea. Later on dilute a little bit with the distilled water, and I will filter, of course, before all that.
Okay, so time to continue. As you can see, no gold foils floating in the solution anymore. And those from filter, where we filtered out from AP solution, all filtered added to this. So time to denox it now. And then we filter it one more time. And later on, we will try to participate some gold out of it. So we will denox it with urea. Temperature is like almost 30 degrees. So let's just try to set up this one here. I will grab my urea. Okay, now close it up. Drop some inside and see. Okay, there's some small reaction. Not much, but we don't use a lot of potassium nitrate. Okay, looking good.
Okay, so there's no more reaction, so let's try to filter those solution. Okay, so that's the filtration process. All debris is inside. All solution is over there. It's very green, so it means it's contaminated with the copper. But yeah, that's okay. We can re-refine it later on. Let's just see what happened with this one. Okay, filtration finished. As you can see, it's already washed a few times, so let's get rid of that. As you see, solution is almost double so much because all of the washing, the materials, nice green color. Anyway, let's just try to participate some gold. In this little jar I have some sodium metabisulfate mixed with distilled water. So let's add this to our solution and then we see what's come out. Looking good, didn't expect such a quick reaction, but I'm very satisfied. Okay, so that's the result after, let's say, around 2 hours. Anyway, most of the things settle down at the bottom, as you can see. I hope there's like a little mountain at the middle of the jar. Anyway, I end up adding one more of that jar with the distillate water and sodium metabisulfite SMB, just for being sure. But yeah, later on I just make some tests with stannous chloride, so it comes out negative. There's no more gold in solution, so I just leave it as it is. Like now, it looks like it has some copper still in the solution, but yeah, this we will recover after we filter it. But I will let all the gold settle. Okay guys, it's time for filtration. That's the leftovers, that's our gold solution. Actually, there's no gold in solution anymore, it's at the bottom. So let's just put it through the filter and see what we do later on. It's already pre-wet, so let's go. I sensitively decant, and that's our result. I think it's very okay, as we were playing with 37 grams, so yeah. Okay guys, so that's what we end up. Quite nice amount. I'm not really sure how much it is, but I could see in my funnel and at my filter some of it can go through. Anyway, nothing is lost, everything is still in this jar in here. So we will leave it like that for a few days with some cover on. Maybe something more participate, if not, everything just fall down on the bottom. So anyway, let's just check out how much it's weighing. This just filters is 0.002 grams. This is new filters, the same what I used in here. So let's check out what do we have in here. Okay, so it looks like we get 0.002 grams of gold in this filter. So that's cool, I believe. Look like more, but yeah, that's the result. So let's just put it to the tiny jar with other gold powder. So cell jar has 162 grams, 170. Cool. So we got 8 grams of gold in here. Nice. That